In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speech language in Claude AI. To get started, open Claude AI and make sure you're on the main interface. If the sidebar is not already visible, look to the top left corner of the screen and click the sidebar icon. This will open the navigation panel, which gives you access to your account options and settings. If your sidebar is already open, you can simply move on to the next part. Once the sidebar is open, direct your attention to the bottom left corner. There you'll find your profile area. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This is where Claude keeps personal preferences and app settings, so if you ever need to customize the experience, this is a useful place to remember. From the profile menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the settings page where different parts of the app can be adjusted. Since we're focusing on speech settings, stay in the General category and look for the Voice section. This area controls how Claude sounds when using voice features. Inside the Voice section, you'll see options that let you customize the speech experience. Here you can select the language you want Claude to speak in, which is helpful if you prefer listening in a different supported language. You can also choose the voice style, allowing you to adjust the overall sound and tone to better match your preference. Next, find the Speed drop-down. Click on it to view the available playback speed options. You can choose slow, normal, or fast, depending on how quickly you want the voice to speak. If you're learning something new or want clearer pacing, slow can be helpful. Normal is usually the most balanced choice for everyday use, and fast can save time if you already understand the content easily. One useful thing to know is that these changes apply immediately. That means as soon as you select a new language, style, or speed, Claude updates the voice settings right away. You don't need to look for a save button or confirm the change separately, which makes the process quick and convenient. If you're testing different settings, it can be a good idea to try a few combinations until you find one that feels the most comfortable to listen to. Small adjustments to speed or style can make a big difference in how natural the voice sounds for your needs. That's all it takes to change the speech language in Claude AI.